Assalamu alaikum. Happy 11th years to Urdu IT Academy. But first of all, मैं आप सब लोगों का, ट्रेनर्स का, हमारे मेंटर्स का, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का पिछले लास्ट 11 साल की सपोर्ट का और देयर एफर्ट्स का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ. Secondly, I want to talk about कि आज हम खड़े होके we can talk about हमारे इतने हजार viewers हैं, इतने million views and stuff like that. But I don't want Urdu IT Academy to focus on how many views we are getting. I want to focus on and I want Urdu IT Academy to remembered as a platform जो लोगों की जिंदगी में एक positive change लाता है. We have been training a lot of people and helping them to secure a job of their dream. As you know, the Urdu IT Academy platform is not me alone. It's all the team that are helping us behind the camera, behind the scene, and all the trainers, all the amazing people that have been working with us or supporting this. It's a free education platform, as I have said in millions of times, or we want to stay free and positive and deliver a positive change for all of you. It has been amazing 11 years, and let's hope the next decade is going to be more exciting, more innovative, and more powerful. खुश रहें, दुआ में याद रखिएगा, फिर मुलाकात होगी.